Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, February 18th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Good morning, Alex.
Hi, David. Good morning.
How are you today?
I am okay. I am a little tired.
Me too. I need a coffee.
Yes, coffee is very important today.
Is the machine working?
Yes, it is working fine.
Great. I want a large black coffee.
I want a cappuccino with sugar.
You always drink cappuccino.
It is delicious. I like the milk.
I like strong coffee. It wakes me up.
Do you have a busy day?
Yes, very busy. I have 5 meetings.
Wow, 5 meetings is a lot.
I know. I have to sell a lot today.
Sales is a hard job.
It is fun, but it is tiring.
I have a project meeting at 10 o'clock.
Is it a big project?
Yes, it is the new marketing project.
Good luck with that.
Thank you. I need it.
Hey, did you read the news yesterday?
I read a little bit. Why?
I saw an interesting article in the Washington Post.
Which one? I missed it.
It was from February 15th.
What is the title?
It is called the Robot Tax Bill.
Oh, I heard about this on the radio.
It is crazy. Congress wants a new tax.
Yes, a tax on companies, right?
Exactly, a 15% tax.
That is a high number.
Yes, if a company uses AI instead of humans.
They have to pay the government?
It says the money is for Social Security.
That sounds like a good idea. Maybe.
Do you think so?
Well, robots take our jobs.
That is true. I worry about sales jobs.
Robots are very fast.
But 15% is expensive for businesses.
Yes, but people need protection.
My boss loves AI. He wants to save money.
Now he has to pay the tax.
So he keeps the human workers?
Exactly. It helps employment.
But maybe the products become expensive.
That is a possibility. The economy is difficult.
The article says the vote is next month.
We will see what happens.
I hope they do not tax my coffee.
You are funny, David.
I am serious. Coffee is essential.
I agree. Speaking of technology, did you see CNN?
No, what happened on CNN?
There was an article on February 16.
Tell me about it.
It is about the new smart contact lenses.
Oh, the Vision Pro lenses.
Yes, the ones with the camera inside.
I want those lenses. They are cool.
Well, you cannot wear them on planes?
Really? Why not?
Several airlines banned them yesterday.
Ban them? That is strict.
The article says it is for privacy.
I do not understand.
People record videos secretly.
Ah, I see. They record other passengers.
Yes, and nobody knows.
That is a problem.
The fine is very high.
How much is the fine?
It is $2,000 if you wear them.
$2,000? That is a lot of money.
Yes, they are very serious.
I guess it makes sense.
Imagine someone recording you sleeping.
No, thank you. That is creepy.
Exactly. Privacy is important.
But the technology is amazing.
It is amazing but dangerous.
You can check emails with your eyes.
I do not want emails in my eyes.
You work too much, Alex.
I like to rest my eyes.
So, no smart lenses for you.
No, I prefer my normal glasses.
I understand. What else is new?
Did you see the Boston Globe?
I do not read the Boston Globe often.
There was a big story on February 17.
What is the topic?
It is about schools in Massachusetts.
Is it about the teachers?
No, it is about the schedule.
Tell me more.
The headline is the 4-day school week.
Wait, only 4 days of school?
Yes. A pilot program starts in September.
That sounds great for the kids.
The students are very happy.
They have a long weekend every week.
Yes, no school on Friday.
I wish I was a student now.
But the parents are not happy.
Why parents love their kids?
Yes, but they have to work.
Ah, who watches the kids on Friday?
Exactly, childcare is expensive.
The article talks about that.
Yes, parents are protesting.
They need a babysitter for Fridays.
And babysitters cost money.
So it is a problem for families.
Yes, the state says it reduces stress.
Stress for the kids,
Yes, kids are very stressed today.
but it increases stress for parents.
It is a difficult situation.
What do you think, Alex?
I think 4 days is good for mental health.
I agree. We need a 4-day work week.
That would be perfect.
Imagine, no work on Fridays.
We can relax and sleep.
Or play sports.
But we have deadlines, David.
I know, the work does not stop.
Maybe in the future.
The world is changing fast.
Yes. Taxes on robots, smart lenses, short weeks.
It is a lot to think about.
It is 2026. Things are different.
At least the coffee is the same.
Yes, the coffee is always good.
Is your coffee finished?
Almost. It is very hot.
My coffee is perfect now.
Do you have a meeting now?
Yes, in 10 minutes?
You should go to your desk.
I need to prepare my presentation.
Is it for a new client?
Yes, a big client from New York.
Be careful. Do not use AI robots.
No robots, just me.
And do not wear smart lenses.
I promise, no recording.
Good, be professional.
You too, Alex. Good luck with the project.
Thank you. I need to check my emails.
Do not stress too much.
I try not to.
Maybe we can have lunch later.
That sounds nice. What time?
Maybe at 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock is good for me.
Okay, let's meet here.
Perfect. See you then.
Have a good morning, Alex.
You too, David. Work hard.
Always. See you later.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.